Hello, my name's Michael Cottrell, and this is my 2008 FJ Cruiser. I originally bought it as a daily driver, but it kind of escalated. Up front, we're running a res fab front bumper with stinger. It's 3/16 in diameter plate. And for winch, we're running a Smittybilt X20 12K. Moving over to the suspension, we are running King 2.5 inch coilovers with reservoirs, Total Chaos 3.5 inch long travel. And in the rear, we are running a Dana 60 made by Currie with a 35 spline carrier, chromoly axles, and ARB air lockers up front and out back. As far as links goes, we are running Total Chaos links in the rear with a custom panhard bar. For wheels and tires, we are running 37 inch Cooper Discovery STT Pros with 17x9 American Force Evo beadlocks. Underneath, we are running Bud-built skids. To supply the lockers with air, we are running an ARB Twin compressor with a 2.5 by air tank. The reason why I chose Total Chaos for the suspension is because I wanted a comfortable ride along with a capable vehicle. Their product is made in the USA, uniballs top and lower, along with gusseted spindles.
3.5 inch long travel?
Yes, it's 3.5 inch long travel. That was the only way we were going to be able to fit 37s without majorly cutting.
Awesome, man. Yeah, the 37s look super cool in this thing, man, especially with the fiberglass. How hard were they to fit?
They were actually pretty hard to fit. We had to move the firewall back 3 to 4 inches and relocate the body mount about 6 inches back.
Man, this rear end is wild. Can you tell me a little more about it?
Yeah, we actually installed this after breaking the factory 8 inch on the first ride out after re-gearing it. We're running a Currie Dana 60 with a 35 spline carrier and 35 spline chromoly axle shafts. The entire axle is stretched 6 inches over stock. It's running 1350 U-joints on the rear drive shaft, and it's set up for the FJ suspension.
That's wicked, man. Yeah, I've never seen another FJ with this rear end going on, so I mean, like, it's super cool. I'm sure it can definitely handle these 37s. Now your front just needs to be able to keep up.
The 8 inch actually keeps up surprisingly well with an ARB air locker installed. The only thing we've really broken on the front is tie rods.
Right on. And then for like the rear bump stops, what we have going on there?
We're just running a set of Wheeler off-road super bumps.
All right, man. So I gotta ask, like, what's going on with the color here? I mean, like, it looks awesome, but you know, how did that happen?
So this is a bed liner called Monster Liner. The reason for this is we dented in this passenger door on Trail 39 at Windrock this past January, and we just decided to repaint it.
So this is actually like scratch resistant, right?
It's scratch resistant to a certain extent, and it's easily mended. So like if we get a tear in it, if we get a giant gash or a dent that cracks the paint, we can easily blend it right back in.
Awesome, man. And what's this color called?
This color is called Alien Dawn.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys next time.